What is up, boss? In this video, I'll show you how your client can pick a specific team member to meet with. There's two ways that you can do this. So the first way is on your homepage, you can show your actual team members. So anybody could click on any specific team member, and that'll take you to that specific person's page, so you can book them directly. I see you have information, appointments, product services just for this specific person. The other way to do it is on the round robin accounts. So let's say like haircut. And again, you want to make sure that you're in your company page that has the round robin feature. Click edit. And you'll see down here, customer can select team members. So just click that box. Click save changes. And we'll view this page. And now when someone comes to the haircutting page, you'll see here that you can choose a specific person. So there's a specific person you'd like to give you the haircut, etc., or whatever your business is. You can choose the person, and it'll bring up that person's calendar and availability. Hope this helps.